an eye on that gap as Redding leaves the door wide open for Razgatlioglu. He will still have the inside though on the switchback for turn 17. He won't want to mess up the two championship contenders, knowing that he's been commenting on aggressive riding all season long, but he's got back in front of Razgatlioglu, and sweetly and cleanly done. Toprak though will have the momentum back into turn 1 at the start of lap 18. This could be a title winning overtake from Toprak Razgatlioglu. He's back into second place. Razgatlioglu. It's been 6 years for Jonathan Rea, but Rea's reign has come to an end. A new era has begun in World SBK. The 2021 Motul FIM Superbike World Champion is Toprak Razgatlioglu.
Number 1 on track. We saw them with Silver former world champion, our engineers who played a key role with it. And obviously the braking power of the Yamaha has been pretty impressive with Toprak over the course of the last couple of years. Twice one watch that. See the gold leathers for Toprak, gold helmet as well. Close they've been on track to one another all the way through. They haven't actually had any incident really. Both riders able to keep themselves upright at all times. And for Toprak and Rea through a 13-round season has been so impressive.
Pitchy nose in the commentary box because it's going to be floating up here in a minute. Toprak Razgatlioglu gets the celebrations underway, almost directly underneath us in our own world champion t-shirts, just in case Jonathan Rea could pull off a miracle. Those are going to be collector's items now, but it's Razgatlioglu who makes his way through Team 21, and after 6 years, Jonathan Rea really has dominated this. 6 wins wrapped up with 2 rounds to spare, the other 2 barely, and doubtless needed 3 points to get it over the line at the final to an end, regardless of the result of the championship. It's also the end of the year.
We have to look at 2019 when it was Jonathan Rea.
Team 21, so 2 of our title races settled. The biggest one of all, the 2021 Riders World Championship, Toprak T21. Too many goosebumps, I think, up here in the commentary position. It has been one of those epic seasons. Something